Work with local experts when you need tree service in Louisville, Kentucky. Our team at iCLIMB Tree Service is proud to offer trusted tree service for residential and commercial properties near Louisville, Kentucky. From tree removal and trimming to stump grinding and crane services, you can rely on us for it all. Our professionals have more than 2 decades of experience in the industry. We will make sure the job gets done safely and efficiently. Our top priority is your satisfaction, so you can expect us to go the extra mile to ensure it. Learn more about our services by calling today. 502-904-3210. 502-904-3210. 502-904-3210. Or visit us online at iClimbTreeService.com.